Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project and DIYTube.video. I have not been around for a while, as you've noticed. It's been 3 weeks, over 3 weeks. I haven't even checked the comments, so I want to explain what's been going on. I haven't left anybody, I haven't vanished, I haven't been on vacation. Quite the contrary, I have been sitting mostly right here intensively programming DIYTube, and this is the biggest single task I've ever taken on in my entire life. 2 years of work is coming to a head right now, and honestly every waking minute has been spent on this project recently. No joke, I eat in front of the computer, and the computer is there when I'm going to sleep at night. It is intense. I have been coordinating up to 8 different people around the world working on this project to finish it right now. I won't go into details about all that's involved in the project behind the scenes, but just know that's what I've been doing. That's where I've been working. I just shaved this morning for the first time in, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. I was living pretty rough. I haven't slept much. I'm running on caffeine. But on Thursday morning at 9 a.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time, we are going to release our own blockchain and cryptocurrency. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, but let me simplify what it means to you. Anybody on DIYTube, starting this Thursday, October 10th at 9 a.m., will literally be receiving something of real monetary value for video views and writing a comment and thumbs up on your views and your comments. As of Thursday, we'll have our own form of currency, our own payment processor, which is totally legal and accepted by most countries in the world. And what this means is the earnings that you have, those of you who have been on there getting this sort of IOU, the virtual wallet earnings, will be able to literally cash it out. And as soon as we've launched the cryptocurrency and the blockchain, immediately after, we're applying to a coin exchange. The coin exchange is like the New York Stock Exchange for cryptocurrency. When we get listed, which should be anywhere from an hour to a day or two or something, I don't know how long it takes the exchanges to list us. Once we're listed, members of DIYTube will be able to cash out their virtual DIYTube coins and trade them in the real world to pay their bills in their own country. This is huge. This is so big, and that's why I haven't been seen at all by anyone for a while. Now, if you don't have a DIYTube account, go ahead and get one. Even people who write a comment will earn. And I can't make any promises or guarantees, but once a cryptocurrency hits the coin exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange, the values generally go up. So that equals everybody who has earned on here, their earnings and what they already have and what they are earning at the time will also go up. There are more than one way to earn coins, and for those of you who understand what I'm about to say, that's good. For those of you who don't, just stand by, because there's a lot to be mentioned here, and this is big news. This will be open to miners. Now what this means for every one of you out there, everybody who sees this video, on the morning of October 10th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can download our wallet, which is a little program that runs on your computer in the background. And it's like your wallet that holds your money, okay? But it's a virtual digital wallet, like your bank account. It holds your accounts, it holds your cryptocurrency. Only you hold it, just like I'm holding this in my hand. You hold it on your computer. It's yours. Nobody else has got their hands on it. That's the beauty of the blockchain. You download it into your computer and you have control of your wallet. No banker, no bank teller, no corporation. You hold it on your computer. At that moment, you can start mining DIYT coins yourself. Anybody and everybody, by running their computer, its CPU, that's your processor, mining, can run and mine DIYT coins at that time. And for those of you who are concerned about the energy wasting, the wasted energy done by cryptocurrency mining operations and blockchains, we're using the NIST5 algorithm, which means it's one of the most efficient mining algorithms out there. I was looking at a comparison where one machine uses like 800 watts on another algorithm and only 250 on this algorithm. What that means is it's super mega efficient, and you can mine it with your home computer by simply downloading the wallet, following the instructions that I'll post for everybody to see, and everybody, you, can earn these coins. Everybody who sees this can download it and start earning these coins, and once we hit the exchange, you can sell them for real money or other cryptocurrencies. Invest in Bitcoin if you want. Doesn't matter. It's going to happen, and it can't be stopped now. We're at a point now, it's snowballing. The DIYTube homepage is taking off like mad. It's snowballing. Everything is snowballing. It's huge. We have a worldwide team now, literally. It's all snowballing. It can't be stopped. Once we launch the blockchain, it's a unhackable, unstoppable system of all the exchanges going on. And by you holding the wallet, actually, you're supporting the blockchain in a small way, adding to its stability. So the more people on, the better it is. And you're earning DIYTube coins, and you can use it to pay your bills. Everybody can get involved. For those of you who are interested in mining with a graphic card, with a proper mining rig, those details will be released later on in the day. We're still working on some issues on that. It works, but we don't have our mining pool yet, so we'll be releasing that after we get everybody else mining. Also, now here's the big one. If you're interested, you can purchase 40,000 coins. On launch, we're going to have 4 million coins available. That's it. Our only fundraiser is to sell 40 million coins, 4 million coins, 4 million coins at launch of the blockchain. When they're gone, they're gone. After that, it's all open to the public 100%. We will have no more control, no more fundraiser, and no more coins to sell. We're going to raise the money to continue on with development of DIYTube. The reason is, next we're going to go on to distributed computing and distributed storage. Members will be able to share their processor and their hard drive resources to store our videos on your computer, fractions of them, and get paid in DIYTube coins, which you can then sell to pay your bills. This is going to be gigantic. So DIYTube is going to be distributed among millions of computers around the world, which makes it unstoppable, unhackable, and gives us mega redundancy on all of the data. So that's the next project. That might be in another year or so, but we're going to be working on that. And we need the funding to pay for that and to make it happen. So that's the only fundraiser. Thursday morning, we have 4 million coins for sale. Now, why this is important to you, whoever buys 40,000 coins, it's $4,000 US, and holds them in their wallet on their computer. If you hold 40,000 coins in your wallet, I hope I said that number right. I'm really tired. I haven't slept much. If you hold 40,000 coins in your wallet and tie it to a server, which I can help you set up for members of YouTube and DIYTube, me or a member of our team will help you set it up, because I want to get you guys going and involved in this. You've been there for me all these years, and this is my way of giving back in a way. If you hold them and we connect it to a server for you, a mirror image of our entire blockchain, which has a minimal cost of, I think, $5 or $10 a month to operate, just to run the server. You'll pay that. I'll set it up for you. You can pay that. Your own server fee is going to be yours. I'll give it over to you, all yours. If you don't understand how it works, I'll do that for you. The key is, though, I've got to open up my page because I am tired. I've got all these numbers and cryptocurrencies and blockchains and blocks and rewards and all these numbers in my head and all the coding. I'm working on PHP and JavaScript and all kinds of stuff. At the initial price at launch of 10 cents a piece, DIYTube coins at 10 cents a piece at launch, if we sell out all of our coins to people who are running mirror images of our server, they're going to earn $700 a month each for having a mirror image of our server. So if you spent $4,000, you're going to get more than that back in the first year. If the coin goes up to $1 a piece, that's $7,000 a month. So you'll get your investment back in a month, after 1 month. Now this isn't, I shouldn't have said the word investment. I realized when I said it, that is not the right word. It's your money. You're holding it in your wallet on your computer and it's yours. You do get rewarded for helping to support the blockchain by running a mirror image of the blockchain. And again, I'll help you set that up if you want, if you don't know how. Instructions will be on the DIYTubecoin.com website, DIYTubecoin.com. I'll put the link down below. Anybody who's interested in getting some coins initially before we get listed on the coin exchange will be able to go into DIYTube, if you have an account, click on buy DIYTube coins and you'll be able to buy it with Ethereum or Bitcoin. At the moment that's all we have available. Once they're launched on an exchange, if there's any coins left from the initial offering, we'll put them up there. But initially, for people to get started, if you want to buy 100 coins, $10. If you want to buy 1,000 coins, it's $100. If you want to buy 40,000 coins and get these rewards, that's $4,000. That's the maximum we're going to let any one person have, so that nobody can dilute the market and wreck the price by selling off at once. We'll limit people. But if you don't understand, if you got questions, I'll also put our Telegram link down below. Please feel free to come on. Email us, admin@DIYTube.video. And I'll put the links to the DIYTube coin site. You can read every single detail about our company. You can find the founding corporate paperwork. You can see all the team members of our company and links to their social media sites and their YouTube channels. 3 of us are YouTubers. We have formed together, YouTubers, to form this site and to put the money back into your hands, everybody's hands, not just the channel owners, but those who write, those who hold a wallet, download the digital wallet on their computer. You too can earn coins. So I will release another video on Thursday morning telling everybody more details and putting the specific links on how to download the wallet, how to get into the purchasing of the coins, how to set up your master node, and any other details that might be necessary. And those of you who are earning coins, I'll tell you how to get them out onto the exchanges and the networks and how to use them to pay your bills. This is a big deal. I don't want to start repeating myself. I'm very tired. I got my head in the code right now. I had to take a break though and get this up for you. If anybody has any questions, email me, admin@DIYTube.video. Put the link down below. Hit us up on the Telegram. There's going to be somebody there, and we'll be happy to help you out. Alright guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIYTube video community. It's been a busy month. It's been a busy time. Exciting times coming ahead. Everybody should be there Thursday. Hope to see your questions and help you all out. Talk to you later.